Hi guys, welcome back. It's me, Alicia. So we have another video. Don't you guys love my mini tutorials? This one's gonna be short and sweet because I think most of everybody knows how to somewhat do box braids, but this is my first time trying the rubber band method. So let me just show you guys the quick tutorial on how I did them, and I even show you guys how I decorated my hair with the jewels because somebody asked that, and then how I laid my edges, and then I'll get back to do the talking points. Pack of hair. I'm going to take, I don't know, I think one pack has already done like 6 braids, so this is only my 3rd pack. So I'm going to take about that much of hair. So this is what's left, this is how much I've got. Okay, so I have them all dipped in some hot water, so they're still a little wet, but they're not hot. The things that I got are just the filigree tubes, and then I got some little dangling things. I'll put the link on where I got them, and then if your local beauty store doesn't have them, you can welcome to go down to the link to get them, because that's also where you can get the hair. So I'm just going to just literally put these in random places. I know somebody asked, how do you put them in certain order? I literally just like find random braids and put them in. There's no particular order. It's just, oh, here goes a braid, let me put something on it. So if you're asking about if there's like a method to my madness, it's not, it's just random. I do start with one thing first, so I have about like 5 of these. So I will start randomly putting those on first, and then I'll move to the filigree tubes next. details. The hair makes or breaks how long you're actually spending doing your braids. If you use the regular Kanekalon hair that's not feathered, be prepared to be a while because you have to take it and taper it and do all that kind of stuff. Or you could save yourself some time and get the hair that's already feathered, so it already has the layered in look. This one is by Janet Collection, and I used color 1B. So I got 6 packs because I thought that if you look at this hair, it doesn't look like there's a lot of hair in there. So I'm like, ugh, I need to make sure that I have enough for my big head. I only used 3 packs. So this hairstyle will be done again because I have 3 packs. I will probably buy 1 more pack because I'll probably get these done just a little bit smaller. I went with the bigger braids because I'm only having this in my hair for 2 weeks. I'm going on a quick getaway, so I wasn't going to have these in long term. The next one I'll probably have in for at least a month, so I want them to be a little bit smaller. So that's why I went, that's why I'm going to go with the 4 pack instead of the 3 pack. But yeah, 3 packs did my hair. Like I said before, I have about 20 to 25 braids in my hair, so can kind of give you a hint on how far 3 packs really goes. And then you guys saw how thick each section was, so it's not like I was like skimping on each section. They're pretty chunky braids. So this was my first time doing the rubber band method, and I think for the most part it's really only useful if you're doing like big chunky braids. I've never seen anybody do the rubber band method for like normal to small box braids. I think it's only for bigger braids, and that's only because you want to make sure that your sections look, you know, big but not too big, that they're not like overly chunky. And then I know for me, I wanted to make sure that I had enough hair for the amount of braids that I was preparing myself to do. So that was the first time that I've actually done box braids. FYI, these, I got the Goody Ouchless rubber bands. They pop. And it's not like a bad pop, but I had went ahead and I had sectioned out like my whole head, and then I was going back in to then braid it. I could feel my rubber bands starting to pop up here. So once I got up here, nothing was sectioned out correctly, so I had to redo that. So but I like them because they're ouchless, so when they broke, it didn't break any of my hair, so I'm still going to use them. But be prepared that with these ouchless rubber bands, they do pop easily. I don't know why, I don't know how. I didn't overstretch them. I can't say for sure. I just know that they break, and I think by the time I got to the front, all of them had broken off by the time I had done the back. So be prepared that they will break. You did not do anything wrong. It's just the way that they work. However, I'm still not going to do the regular rubber bands. I'll still do these because I'd rather them break and not break my hair off than for the regular ones to not break, and then when it comes time to take them down, you all matted in my hair. So FYI, because I know that somebody's going to ask me a question about that. So yeah, I think that was all the questions that I had. As you guys know, I normally wait a little while before I actually post on my YouTube because I want to make sure that I'm prepared with any questions you might have. So I am going to go working out in this hair as I do any other hair. I am also going to go to, I don't know if I'm going to get in the pool because it's cold, but the place that we're going does have a hot tub, so maybe I'll get in that. So yeah, I am gonna go and get into some body of water, so I'll let you guys know how that works. You guys are gonna know, of course, I'm gonna, you know, work out in it and go to work in it and all that kind of stuff. So if you have any questions, please feel free to put them in the comment box or email me or DM me on Instagram. Make sure you check out my other videos because I think I'm getting the hang of this. What do you think? I think I'm getting the hang of this YouTube thing after, what, 2 years? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I see you liking, I see you commenting. Have you subscribed? And I will check you guys next week. Bye.